Hi guys, I'm Audi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well during this pandemic. And unfortunately, today's video is not about the new turbo. However, the new turbo and the new catalyst downpipe were already installed 1 month ago. And I just got the tune yesterday, and I will drive more in next week and then film a video about that. The new downpipe is really loud, especially the tune I just got yesterday with all of those corrects, especially in the manual mode. You will hear it in next video, then you will know what I am talking about. Let's go straight to today's topic. Today we are going to coding the virtual cockpit display from the classic layout to sports layout. This mess will suit for all of the B-line A4, A5, Q5 and the 4M Q7. Before we start, let me show you what are some tools we need and what we are going to do. We are going to need trim removal, a wrench with 8mm, the CD player, the shop sent to me, and the tool they made by themselves doing the coding remotely. And then there is a 5054 cable with the OBD2 port. And then you also need a power bank to power this up. And the things we are going to do is pretty simple. I just need to take this glove box and replace the CD player and plug everything together, and then the engineer will be doing his thing. Now let's start the work. I'm going to take this trim off first. And then here has a bolt. And then the left side has 2 bolts and 2 in the middle, 1 on the left. And then the corner on the left side also has a bolt. And 1 bolt on the bottom of the left side and the 1 bolt on the right side of the bottom. Now this one should be off. You just pull it out gently. Now as you can see, this bracket is hanging in here right now. You just need to take these 2 bolts off. Now as you can see, this CD player is off. Same to all of the plugs. You just to hold one of the clips and hold it to pull it out. And now I'm going to put this one in. Now it is all connected. 5054 cable is in and the car is running. And connect to the here. This tool is connected to the car and one side connect to the 5054 and there is a power bank to giving the battery. Then the CD player is also in, and the engineering right now is reading the code. Let's we just wait for all of this now. Now it is coding right now, as you can see here.
2 hours later.
So guys, it is all done as you can see right now. Here you go. It's really good. It looks amazing. Now when I track my car, then I can see this RPM much better and easier. And the only downside for this is you cannot switch back to the classic layouts. If you want to switch back, you have to do all of this process again to switch back. And I don't think you will switch back, because if you want to switch back, then you won't do it. Right. So this is it. How do you guys like it? I really enjoy it and I like that sports layout. If you guys are in British Columbia, Canada, and especially if you are on the Vancouver Island, then just send me a message on Instagram, then we can discuss about it, and if you would like to do this. And the next video you are going to hear that catalyst downpipe from the CTS Turbo with Omnitrix catback for exhaust system with that new tune, and that corrects really insane. You will know how insane it is when you hear it. This will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thanks for your watching. I will see you next video.